we're getting ready for our next test.
What step are you on?
We're going Wednesday.
Like, is there no progress since the last time?
Yeah, it's on Monday.
And when are you doing some of the exercise?
Yeah, we did.
Because I didn't finish my section. Yeah, but it's okay because I'm gonna the final thing.
Wait, we finished doing the thing we did last
I ask
month. No, last month on
right,
Monday.
but I did something surprising. I don't know if it was right.
That's good.
I think
Yeah, we finished doing this. We finished doing this one.
I think I did the one you was right.
It looked like this.
I
can play that.
I know if I did right. I'm pretty sure I did.
I think it's good.
It's good. It's good. Can
Yes.
you see? Can you write?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
This way, you can like.
Because I don't know if I
It
need
could be better.
this but I just put it there. These two are basically the same. This is a block right.
How did you put your uncertain?
Yeah, you know you have
I'm putting uncertain.
yeah.
This is my uncertainty right here. This is my upper. This is my lower
So in
uncertainty.
this class, I have like
Was this the link in
24 students, 15
title?
has done it.
That's what I
The math.
This the outline, yes, but I didn't really use anything because I'm doing algebra questions and stuff. Where I had to leave.
You know you have a test in English
Oh, yeah, he did something like that.
The only thing is my
Next
upper
Tuesday, yeah,
bound is good. My
you're
lower
talking about
bound
next week,
is
right?
supposed to go
Yeah.
through.
Well, yeah,
Oh yeah,
this
do you remember
Tuesday is
when
already
you
done.
asked me like something about what Ollie was doing and I told you that I would like tell you what he said? Well, because I had asked Ollie, but then I forgot what you were trying to like get an
Well, I was
answer
trying-
for.
yeah.
And I was like, well, I don't know.
I forgot
he was
too.
wondering- Yeah, he was wondering about something, and like I didn't know what the like terms were like for yours. I was like,
Oh, I do remember.
was it like the PS?
No, I was gonna ask him like
Oh, never mind.
what he was even like analyzing. 'Cause, like,
Yeah.
here's my data there. That's what I have to write. So, like, do I have to talk about like
What do you?
some other equation?
Yeah.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
I
Rebound
don't
height.
know.
Drop it, boom, it rebounds here. I don't know what I should talk about in physics terms.
Yeah, I don't know.
Surprisingly, that only took me like 20 minutes. All he said
You
was
know
like a
you
day,
passed
so I was
all your
just scared.
classes.
The first time I made my graph, it took me like a couple days, and then it deleted it because I didn't sign into Desmos.
Yeah,
And then whenever I redid it, it took me like
I learned that the hard way with the PDF. So I logged in and I saved that.
Yeah, what's up, baby?
Wait, why are lawyers important to the society?
It helps.
What's up, baby?
They help,
It
yeah.
helps people who
with legal situations.
Illegal situations.
it helps people defend themselves who may not be equipped with.
Yeah, how do I say
Yeah,
that in Spanish?
Oh.
You gotta use easy words here.
Oh.
I don't.
Oh, my fault.
I did not know how to say equipped in Spanish.
Well, to be honest with you,
They,
I don't know what else a lawyer is for.
I said, okay, so this job is very important in society because lawyers help
Yeah,
with
what's up, baby? What?
help with. Because I already put right here that like they help many people over here.
Legalities, defense, paperwork.
Paperwork. Papeleo. That sounds easy. Okay. Con papeleo.
Yeah. What's up, baby?
This is my 10 sources. I don't have 10 sources.
Yes, Mr. People, I can do that.
Wait, you did your what's the thing? Wine over something like that?
What? Are you doing your Spanish?
No.
Outline. Have you done your outline?
Yeah. Bro, papeleo. Stop. I can't believe I got a 6 out of 30 on my ESS.
I had a really good start, and then it just went my data. I just need my data. Now I just have to put that in there. 'Cause I had started like the week before, and I was like,
Hello.
I can get this done finally on time. But yeah, now it's looking rough.
Yo, what's up?
You know that one ATL, whenever Mr. Pringle was like, you guys should do the outline thing, it'll take you 10 minutes. And I was like, 10 minutes, that sounds like a lot for that AI outline. And then I came to him today, and he was like, to do the outline.
Yeah, what's up?
Like 5 minutes. He was like, 5 minutes, that's a long time to do this like for your first one.
What's that?
Outline for what?
The EE.
Oh, my meeting with my advisor went well, by the way, because you know how I was like changing subjects and stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah, it went pretty well. She was
Alright.
very understanding. And she was like, yeah, I've only ever had a student like language and art, so because I had art previously, so I was like, I'm sorry.
I've never changed mine. I couldn't think of any other thing to talk about.
What are you doing? Oh, history.
Yeah.
Italy.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
Shit.
doing
Oh yes.
history.
Yes.
I'm doing. Great though. Like I even have to follow the thing like outline like as the history IA. But I didn't know.
Yes, I am.
It's okay. One Fabelio and then what the hell? Legal and defense.
Yes. Yes.
Defense. Defense, yeah.
Well, depending on what you're talking about, like
Okay,
tense.
lawyers.
What grade are you in? I'm in 11. You already know.
Because the deadline for Friday, that's just our rough draft, right? That's not our final.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, no.
what
Okay.
they're saying.
Okay.
And she said so like you don't need like the format or stuff like that. Like that's fine. You don't need to worry about that.
Who?
This
Quentin?
one, yeah, because I had talked to her just today actually about my data and stuff. She told me to do it on Desmos too.
Yeah.
Bruh.
That's what
Yes.
Anything
Yes.
on Desmos. You know,
That's
I'm gonna
the
be
thing.
annoying, but I'm gonna have to ask her help.
The thing is, for all my IA papers I've done, is the biggest problem. The issue I had was the Desmos.
Yeah,
The
I hate
best-
Desmos.
I hate it.
Yeah, I think
I don't know how to use the worst
It
and
looks
best.
it looks like it looks okay.
the worst and best fit. Ollie was saying something about like really complicated about how to do it like automatically, but for the most part, you
Yeah, I'm
just have to do
11.
it.
11.
Yeah, you
Just
just
like do the
input it. I forgot how to do it. What was it again? The equation, like it's like what if I'm looking for it.
It's in there if you use the link as well. It's
It sound like, yeah, I know. It sound like why
Yeah.
whatever.
Don't get caught. They don't really care. Oh,
being on your phone.
yeah.
Okay, con Papelio y
Sorry to interrupt, but
yeah.
so the outline. Do we have to talk about like why it's related to us, or was that?
No, that's scratch. She said it used to be part
Yeah,
of
that's what I thought.
something,
That was the
but
old one.
It's not.
Don't get caught. Yeah, they don't really care.
That's bad.
'Cause I wouldn't know
Because
how
that's
to
less to talk about.
How many pages do you have right now? 2.
No, I'm glad. I'm
Same.
glad.
Same. Because I think
Because
it's
I
like,
had like this
it's
last
because
week,
it's the end of
but
the
then
year.
I got stuck because I need my data.
Yeah. Do you have
Well,
your data now?
Now I have it. Yeah. I've been having it, but I just couldn't find a video editing app. But now I did.
Yeah.
You'll be
My
fine.
data's
As soon as you add it on,
Yeah, it's
you can
because
you
of
can
school's
copy
almost
paste it from
ended.
your thingy, you know,
What thing?
the thing that we previously did last time.
Oh yeah. I already have it open. Yeah. I just
Yeah.
the formatting. I'm just gonna. Because I wrote 1,400 words. This one was
I
probably my
want
best
to see how
one.
many words I have right
Wait,
now.
why
It's
Oh,
KSA.
no, I
KSA. What's that mean?
the one that we did, the one that was out of 12 points, where we had to do like our introduction and stuff like that.
Oh, I know something.
What is that?
Just use that, just copy and paste.
Yeah.
And you'll have more pages.
You guys
Right
get
now I
free
have
food
5
over
pages,
there?
but
You're 5.
I have 9.
yeah, she has 9. So.
Okay. Nina, how was the field trip?
It was good.
Did you give you food or they
I'm
already?
sucking on my own spit.
They gave us Jimmy John's, but I had my own.
You got 5 pages.
How long was it? How long was you guys there?
Yeah, but like
How?
From like
because of my methods
10
and stuff
to
like that. Also, this
1.
is times
10
New Roman 12.
Mm.
12, yeah. But not double space.
So yeah,
Single
yeah.
space,
Yes.
That's all you missed in
I don't know,
class.
actually. I
We
don't
just
know
have
why
the
I got
test
mine.
on Wednesday.
Or mine is 1 point.
You made it seem like you didn't have anything.
The country settlement. Oh.
No, don't say that. And then yeah, I have. It's just because I input my information. As long as you put in your information.
Oh, then you can delete like this stuff later?
Oh.
No, I'm keeping it.
Oh, you're keeping talking about it?
Are we not keeping it?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean,
I've
how
never
else
done
are they gonna know?
That's good. How'd you do that?
On here. But I'm also gonna input a picture as well.
Oh, hi,
because I took a picture.
everyone.
I took a picture too. I wanted to do a picture in like one.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to do it.
Yeah. It was so complicated. Like, and then that's my table. Yeah. Essentially four pages, I guess. Yeah.
Oh,
And that's only because
Oh,
I
you're fine.
don't say that. Don't say that because I have none of my presentations. So,
Presentations.
yeah, my graphs.
Oh.
Can I see my diagram?
I guess.
oh yes.
That is so good.
Sweet.
What? Hello? You did not do it.
This
like
is not what that looked
You
like.
did not do it. Like
I did
that.
not
He's
have a
good.
phone stand.
So you're making
Yo,
up stuff now.
what's up,
Well, no, that's
I had to
essentially
like
what
make
you did.
something that like functioned as a phone stand, but it did not look anything like that.
Tell him what you did.
Oh, I did the same thing. When I record it,
Tell him what you did.
I got a water bottle. I taped it so they would fall.
Yeah.
Trust me, I did the same thing.
Cheat. Tell him what you did.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So you know those things that they're like wires and they can hold like folders and stuff like in an office. What is it called?
I don't know. Like they hold like binders, like when you put it in, it has like sections, you know?
Uh huh.
It's like metal.
Oh,
It's
metal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Like
It's,
I know something.
Blocked.
The separators. Yeah.
yeah, those.
Yo, what's
It's
up?
like-
Oh, this
Yeah.
one. It's like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so then
I have that.
I shoved 2 paintbrushes like in between these so that it could like my phone wouldn't fall.
Uh huh.
And then I like
Yo,
put it
what's up?
there, and so then it looked like, and then my
Hello.
light was at the bottom, and so then I,
So what was your
Recorded on there.
what was your research question?
so I was looking at how much like putting glass slides over a light will affect the illuminance of it.
Oh, you're sweet. What do you get on the? What grade did she give you for the?
ESF?
ye-
6 out of 30.
I got. So tell me why she was looking at the wrong link I sent you. So I got a 0, 0. I'm like 0, 0. That's an F. So I had to like I went up to her and said, "Can you look at it?" Because she was looking at the wrong thing. So I was like, "Can you show me like it has 0, 0?" I'm like,
Wait,
0.
does this make sense?
Oh.
Ok, porque abogados ayudan con papeleo y a defender a las personas. Does that make sense? Awesome. Great. What else do I add?
Nothing. You're doing too
Oh,
much.
no,
You're
no,
trying
no.
to just
I did not say that. That was Jadil.
No, you said you're done.
Did I say that?
Yes.
Jadil.
No, when I first opened
I
it.
don't want to be mean,
Oh,
but
fine.
yes.
Nita.
You're done.
Yo,
Wait,
wait.
you did something specific.
Hold on, I'm just gonna put why I want to be a lawyer.
I only have 4. That means
Dice quieres. Quiero.
Oh no, I wasn't at Kai for that.
I want to be a lawyer because
No, I wasn't. Ice Spice being your friend. No, Ice Spice is not my friend. Guys, you guys pass? You guys think you're gonna pass all your grades, all your classes? You guys think you're gonna pass all your classes?
yeah.
So I had 2 almost close calls. The first was in the
How do you say love? Encanta. Like
No, there was one thing that I said before.
Yo, what's up?
And then it was right.
llamo. Se llama. Amo. Porque encanta.
Making this. Yeah.
No. Oh, porque me amo. Because I love people. Porque me amo las personas. Y
Really? What are you doing at 3 p.m.? It's 3 p.m. for y'all? Oh, 3 a.m.
am I spelling this wrong?
Uh,
Right? I'm spelling it wrong. Is it like that? hate spelling.
What? Got you. It's not 3 p.m.
Quiero
for
ser
me.
un abogado porque me amo las personas y quiero.
Yeah. I had two almost close calls of me failing like 2 classes. First, it was a math class, and the class I was just talking about. What's that? It's econ, something like that. Not econ. Wait, me is
Instant?
no.
Oh, ESS?
Yeah, it's like ESS. So luckily I had math homework to do, so I got those done. That boosts my. I had an F. That boosts my grade to a D. I'm so happy. And we just did this math test too.
Mhm.
I got it like 4 out of 30.
Jonathan, have you been doing the mental?
I actually
Yo, what's
completed
up?
one.
What's up?
I actually completed
You
like,
didn't want?
no, I completed one.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
One beside, yeah.
Yo,
Was it
what's
the-
up,
I'm still on the first
everyone?
one.
Yeah,
Like-
those things are long.
Yeah.
Are you doing it actually? Like the graphs? You didn't match
Yo,
up with the samples?
what's up? What's up?
Do you understand it?
My graph did not match with the
Yeah.
samples, but I know
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
just,
Yo,
I think it was
yo,
some
yo.
format issue or something. But for the most part,
We're just doing one slide. We're just doing one slide.
I had asked Mr. Sami, but I was stuck on one question because I didn't know what something was like. Central something. I forget what it was.
Oh,
Say
And
my
then he told me it
name.
was medium,
I don't know how to say your name.
Mode.
oh yeah.
Ashula? Ashula? I don't know.
Something else.
Wait,
Mean.
what's mode again? Wait.
Mode
the
is
one that
the
shows up the
most.
most.
Yeah.
That was the easiest.
What's
That was
up,
the only
baby?
thing about math I
Hi,
remember
hello.
in elementary school. That was the only thing I kept to heart.
Why
I
is
think, yeah, I was really bad. I'm really bad at the mean, median, and
it's Ash?
No,
What's up,
it's-
Ash?
because we didn't. I don't remember learning that.
I remember.
I love
I
those.
vividly remember learning that.
But it's like in 5th grade, I didn't have a teacher for
Oh.
Oh.
2.5 quarters.
Mm.
So I just didn't get none of the math
which-
downs for that.
Grade?
I have
I'm in
75
11th
words.
grade.
You think that's enough?
Yes. I had like.
You submitted it?
Yes. I'm skipping my conclusion for now.
Guys, how do I put errors?
It's cases. Do you have what they should be? Oh, do you know what your answer is?
YouTube.
It's just the ruler, I think. What's the ruler? What's the ruler? I'm sorry.
Well, it depends. Do you use inches or centimeter? Or yeah, you use centimeter, right?
Yeah, you said it.
So it also depends on
Citizen.
the thing itself, the ruler. It's half of the smallest.
Yeah.
So if
Okay,
it's
yo, what grade? I'm in 11th
1
grade.
millimeter,
That's okay. I'm in 11th grade.
that's how mine was. I used centimeters, so mine was
0.5.
Mine was 0.5.
I'm in 11th.
Okay, because that's what it is. So,
What grade you?
yeah,
11th.
I used centimeters. Well, no.
What is
I
the
guess-
smallest measurement though?
About to be in 12
I guess no.
in a few
I have
months.
to change.
Guys,
Because,
make sure to hit that like and subscribe, man.
because I had to change my units.
To
I had to change it to meters.
Did Miss
I did
Wayne
too.
say that was right?
Oh, you did it?
Huh?
yeah.
Miss Robinson answered.
She said it's fine. She said I could do it, but like she said I don't have to. But I was like, whatever, fine, okay, I'm just doing whatever. No, but so I had centimeters at first, but then I had to change it to meters.
Mhm.
So then what's my answer?
So then your centimeter for your height.
No, it's like
what is it?
just the length.
The
Just
length. It would be 0.5.
Yo, what does that even mean, huh?
Because you just divided by the spot. Because you convert it into meters as well.
Hi, what's up, yo? What's up?
I just
Because I had to find the average in centimeters, and then I found the average uncertainty for the centimeters, and I just converted it into meters. Down here.
What's up, yo? Nina, why is the teachers giving tests last minute at the last
Yeah.
minute?
okay, centimeters first, and then you change it to
Although the
meters.
uncertainty
Mhm.
is disproportionate.
But then again,
What's
this
up,
also
homie?
had
What's up?
average
What's up?
uncertainty,
Is
so
not accurate representation
I didn't
What's
use
up,
This
nothing? I'm
average
just in
uncertainty
class.
is the centimeters first.
Yeah.
And then you changed it to
2 meters. Yeah.
Instead of interleaving
What
them,
kind
the
of ruler
entire
did you use?
trial was conducted.
I use meters.
The smallest measurements are the centimeter.
was
Millimeters.
What's up, baby? Huh?
a millimeter.
Millimeters.
Yeah, 1 millimeter. So I did 0.5. But that was irrelevant because I was more so looking at the rebound
I
height.
have a question for you,
So-
Ronaldo or Messi?
It would be the
Ronaldo.
average uncertainty of each rebound
Ronaldo all
height.
day.
If that makes sense. So that's why it's different for each of them. It's not the same.
Okay.
The only thing it's the same for was this, because I'm not changed. That's not being changed.
For free, is mine gonna change then? Is my average uncertainty?
Nigga always want
That's
to
the
know
thing. I
who's far.
don't
Like,
know.
nigga,
I would have
Ronaldo's
to.
video.
I don't know.
Me?
'Cause you're
Ronaldo.
measuring the length.
Well, okay, so yeah, essentially, because my base, I'm measuring my base area, right?
Uh-huh.
And my length and my width are like the same thing, because it's a square.
Yeah.
So, and every single time, I'm just changing it. Yeah, I'm just changing it. So it's like 6 by 6, and then 7 by 7, and then 8 by 8, 9 by 9,
Edit.
10 by 10, 11 by 11, 12 by 12. The one thing I do know is that I do not need to linearize my data because it already is linear.
That's what I thought.
Apparently.
My data was
Make
linear,
video.
but she said no. I have to do it how Oliver did it. But I don't think his data
Messi's
was
better
linear.
though. Ronaldo's better.
Mine was.
Ronaldo's
Because
better.
I asked her and she didn't even take a look at it. She just said, "Oh yeah, you and Oliver doing the same thing, right?" I was like, "Yeah, he did." And then she's like, "Just do what he did." I was like,
Ronaldo's better.
Yeah. So then, okay, I'm gonna quickly do mine right now so that, I don't have to do it like over call or something, Nina. So I'm just gonna change my thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But my measurement uncertainty is like extremely small. Surprising. I don't know how.
Yo, hey, what's up? Can I goon? No, you can't goon.
What are you doing? I just.
Is he actually in school?
I do actually have an answer though. We're going after church. We're going home, and my last friends will be in town.
Yes.
From this Saturday,
Yes,
the
I
10th to the 21st. So
Oh,
they're
is
gonna be
he?
there.
Is he actually in school?
And we're
Yes,
having
I
steak,
am.
my mom said. But I
What
don't
you
know
doing right now?
So
What
the
do you wanna
entirety of
do?
Saturday, I
I'm
have a
working
first
right
grade
now.
meeting. So it's like a whole presentation. The
Sweet,
entire
you do
day.
So much.
And then
That would be fun.
Sunday,
That would be fun. She said. I'll pretend I didn't see it.
whatever.
Oh,
Average.
we can get our shirts.
Shirts by who?
Oh, to pay for your shirts. When do we get them?
Yo, what's up? What you doing? Yo, bro, what's up? What's up? Hi.
So in that case, what do I round? Like, what am I doing?
Yes, I'm
What
out.
is that?
This is my average for
Let's go, yo.
my average.
I didn't round mine. I should probably ask her about that.
Are you rounding your uncertainty or your
No.
averages?
Okay, good.
I'm keeping it raw.
Yes.
Okay, good.
It's an uncertainty. You don't.
No, not my uncertainty.
Also,
my,
the average.
Well, yes, also an average. Yeah, you don't mess with that. That's the number that you got.
Okay.
oh,
Good.
I mean, that's to my understanding at least.
I remember something being like they should all be to the same decimal place,
The same sig figs.
but I don't remember what that was for.
I think that was science. I mean,
We should.
physics.
Drink
What? I
water,
think
not
that was
coke. Let
physics.
her take it after.
Like
Yeah.
3.
Take it after
Like,
seeing you.
For
Little.
what? Because if for our averages, we don't
Oh,
mess with
yeah.
that.
Like, father, I found my lost pen. What?
I don't know anything because we also do sig figs in math too, and I always
I
get
get so
confused.
confused with that.
I don't know anything. Okay, I don't know anything. I
Because when we first learned it at the end of last year, I understood it so well. I was like, oh, duh, this is how many it is. And then physics was like, just kidding, it's different.
How did I know that I was gonna do that?
Because it's really smart.
With the sheets?
Yeah.
Yeah. There was,
Whiff off, let her take it. I don't look.
Have you figured out how
I don't even look like
No.
little take it.
to
I'm trying to delete this though.
yeah, I didn't know how to use it either. I had to ask
Yeah.
Kyan for help.
I
And
had
then
to
he came
have
up
Ollie
with
help me.
some random.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't even look.
Wait, what did you do?
Chat-
What is
chat
that? What does that
between
mean?
This
you
is
or
for
not?
my average uncertainty.
Oh
Chat
yes,
food.
that.
So it's
I
just
don't
the
want it like that. I don't want
Maximum
it like
minus the minimum divided by 2.
Can you like send that to me?
Or
Yes,
sure.
we can. I like because what am I supposed to do then? Oh, wait.
Some
Because I had done it by hand, and then
Yeah.
Kyle was like, "Oh, there's an easier way to do it." And I was
Yeah.
like, "Oh, show me."
Yeah.
And then he pulls out, "Oh, like that's not
Yeah.
easier. The way I did
No,
it."
it is easier. If you
Really?
if you understand it, it is so much easier.
I feel like it was. I
You
feel like
do
the
it like
other way I was doing it was.
I think I started doing it manually, I think, and then Ollie helped me.
getting
Will was laughing at me because I had to have Ollie teach me how to use Google Sheets. Like, this is not common knowledge. What are you talking about?
No, it's
getting.
not.
Imagine if you got a low
That's what
table
was
fate.
doing,
I
but
would
I'm
never.
pretty sure,
Like, guys,
He's in a higher math class.
Yeah, I said to use it for
that's what he
their
was saying.
math area.
guys. I'll never get
Because
low
for my
table
geography,
fate.
I also need help with this was also doing some data or whatever.
This is
And
what I
Izzy
was
was
like.
there, and she was like, "Oh, that's how you do it." I was like, "How the heck did you know this?" And she's like, "Oh, math area." I'm like, "Oh."
Go bald? Nah, you mean low table? Yeah, no, I would never ever go bald.
I sense it.
I would never ever go bald.
Meters. From meters to meters. From meters to meters. One. Oh, so it is one.
Editing.
Although the uncertainty looks horrible, it's not actually that bad.
Getting a bald. That's crazy. I know, right?
Oh.
Does it count my numbers as words? That's 2 words. Yeah, no wonder.
Do you guys know if it's due tonight or tomorrow night?
It's due tomorrow at the end of the day.
I'm gonna try to write like the majority of it though, so I can get it out.
Yo, yeah, too much. Crazy's bald. Yeah, what's the type of essay you guys writing? I'm not writing an essay. We're just doing anything. We're just doing work. Okay, you guys have fun at the park? No, at the thing. What do you guys do? What do y'all do?
We were just kind of cheering people on who were like running, or like they were doing what's that called? Battle car races.
How
So
far
we were
was
just,
it?
like, cheering them on and like helping them.
How far from it? How far was it?
From here,
Yeah.
it
was-
was at IUB, so like 15 minutes.
Oh.
It's like that long. Is there anything that I'm missing?
Spanish culture.
Yeah, I just crossed it off.
You're not doing the Spanish project?
No, I finished it.
Oh, I'm not doing the Spanish project.
Me too.
Really? That's gonna be.
Hello? Is there anything?
I have
Oh,
eaten.
study for English test.
English? When is that? When is our test?
Oh,
I haven't been in that class.
he told me ours is Monday.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait, yeah.
Because he told us,
Yeah.
next Thursday, but now he got pushed to do it Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
But
haven't been in that class.
Oh yeah,
You
you
need
weren't there today.
I've only been in there like twice this one, so every other time I go to writing.
Yeah.
we'll talk about
Wait,
Kendrick
so
LeBron.
did he tell you guys like what you had it today?
What are we doing?
Comparative essay, paper 2.
Did he say what you'll get during
got a test?
during
How did you get from all the way back here?
We had a test. English. I haven't been in that class. I have no idea what's happening.
Next week.
Monday and
You have an
Tuesday.
8A or B-Day?
8A.
You have a Monday.
Yeah,
That's
Monday.
Monday.
I haven't been at all this week.
I have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did he say about like? Because he said he thinks that we could pick our own song and like poem, but
He
like,
said he's gonna provide a paper with a poem from Ada Ramon and then a paper of one of Kendrick's raps. However, if it's under his understanding that if we have knowledge on a poem of hers and a rap song of his, like better knowledge, then we can use that. But we can't bring in like our own like notes or anything like that.
We can bring notes.
Like,
I
no,
know
no,
you
no,
can
no.
bring your notebook.
Yeah, but you can't bring like
You can't
Can't write
find
down
out
Wow,
a thing.
wow,
Oh,
what's
yeah.
up?
like
What's
a
up?
different song, a different poem. It has to be through your own knowledge if you decide to use something else. But he's gonna provide.
Did he say what?
Wait, so like,
So what are we writing about? You're
Compare.
comparing the poem and
The song.
we don't
Yeah,
know which
what's
one.
up?
We
Nope.
don't know which one.
But that's the point of it though.
But like, I haven't like I don't know anything about like.
Yeah.
He
Explode.
gave us a sheet today to look at to like show us like different like elements of poems and like songs.
Yeah.
But I don't know if he's gonna provide that for the class. He's definitely provide an outline, but I don't know if he's gonna provide like that.
Oh my gosh.
I think it will be fun.
Here, some important definition to know.
Yeah, what's up, baby?
You can't have your notebook.
Okay. I haven't written notes except for like the very first like lesson.
I haven't written
That's
notes.
it.
Pism is something is like in a poem that asks.
Oh yeah.
What's this one?
Oh yeah. This is.
In Jam.
Can I write down everything that was in the sheet? I have it.
Oh,
I have the
yeah,
sheet.
probably. Yeah.
Okay.
Jam
What?
moves on to the next
Yeah.
thing.
He was pronouncing it so weird. He's like, and jam them in.
And Jam.
Like.
Oh yeah, then, when he was reading the poem, instead of saying tomato, he said tomato. And then King was like, he started laughing out loud. Tomato.
Wait, you're cheating in class. Wait, that's right. Yeah. That's so funny.
Oh, it's not looking very good. Sorry.
I think this is wrong. Yeah, it's wrong.
What?
It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Isn't our last test?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When he was telling us that like the test was moved, but when he was first saying it, he was like,
I was like,
I thought he was just gonna not have
yeah,
it.
me too. Oh my goodness. But I was
Oh,
under the impression that,
Yeah.
it's like too late.
Yeah.
We're getting
The same thing that they did with Barbie, where they were like, we don't really feel like grading all that, like this close to the end. And I thought he was gonna say, we've just decided to cancel it. He's like, we're moving it up. And it's
Yeah.
like, "Bruh."
I was like, my hopes got they got up so high. And
Yeah.
What's up, if you want? I would. Hi, yo. What's up? What's up, my dude?
Although the uncertainty of this recording units is not an accurate representation of the actual uncertainty, the recording device or the string procedure.
Okay.
Rather, it is a limitation of the way the trials were
Hi, what's up?
Instead
What's
of
up? What's
retrieving
up?
them, the entirety of each trial was conducted and recorded
Okay,
before
see?
the next one began.
Yo,
pretty good. Okay.
yo, what's up? What's up?
This was done in order to make the data collection process smoother. However, it caused each trial. What's it called when there's like
Get a new subscriber. What's up? Welcome to the chat. And then get
and one of them is like
streaming.
an outlier.
is it standard deviation?
What does that even mean? I have no idea.
Let me look it up.
Like
Hold on, I have to go. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. I'm working.
That makes sense.
I don't get this.
Bye. Thank you for joining.
Oh, that looks like the listeners.
Oh, this is so good. Okay.
But-
This is so good.
It's like my data. It's like after each like recording, it's like going. It's like
Oh, you got
my
another
slope
one
is
to
the
go?
same, but my y-intercept is different for each of these. What is that called?
Didn't get another stream.
Because like it's changing by the same amount, but it starts at different things. Let me ask ChatGPT.
Okay.
You're able to access it?
Well, Copilot, not ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Wait, so
Like,
Not found.
wait, can I see this real quick? Oh wait, no, you shared it with me. Sorry, thanks. What? Hey,
Mr.
remind
Pringle asked
me.
me if I ever used AI.
In this job, we're making sure that the schedule for classes to be
I saw that.
like
You think Noah's got it?
As I said yesterday, the one thing that's been released to teachers is that there is a multicultural lesson in CMA and schedule. In the CMA?
Yeah, I don't know. They were talking about the CMA, but isn't the performance in outside?
I
Because
thought
that's what
so
Miss Dapper was
too.
talking about. Let the performers know that they're going to be outside.
Yeah.
From my understanding, from what Ms. Garner was and Noah was talking about, is depending on the block. So like one block, the performance is gonna be outside a different block.
Yeah, but so we were under the impression from when we talked to Miss Jabber that the first half of the day would be the tables outside, and then the second half of the day it would be the performance still outside. But then Miss Garner was talking about the performances in the CMA, and we're like, what? Because we never heard anything about that. Do you think Noah's got it though?
Hello, lady.
In my data set for my IB physics I am
Side. I'm not sure she
we
What? So what?
Also, I swear Mr. Pringle said he was gonna put in the grade for the HLE
Yeah.
this Wednesday, but it's apparently next Wednesday.
He said he has to take his time
Next
because it
Wednesday.
last. He said he has to take his
Oh
time.
wait, right. Final grades. Wait, so then what is?
when are final grades?
16. I thought it was the 16. They said the final grade was 16.
Every teacher says a different day.
I've been hearing from everyone 19.
Oh, everyone's been saying the math teacher
I've been
said
hearing
16,
16,
and the
I think from somebody I heard 14.
15.
Yeah, but I think that's more for when you need to submit your stuff.
no, because they said they're not going to take no grades after 16.
Who said that?
The math teacher and the other people. The other teacher.
In my data set for my
Okay, so then
say,
how is he
I'll
gonna
be
have time
sharpened
to
to
grade
grade
another
another
period of essay?
but a
Exactly.
why
Or is that something he's gonna do over summer and
what is being
put it in? Because
No, I
you know
don't-
how
because
our
they-
grade changes.
They have a deadline as well to change grades, so I don't think he can do that.
No, we don't.
parallel lines?
Okay.
It might be
That is not what I'm
it might be the deadline for the teachers to turn stuff to 19, but the deadline for students might be
No, because the last day is the 23rd.
exactly. I'm
Yeah.
saying for students and teachers is two different things.
Okay, so your average in centimeters, is this your height?
Hold on.
We do. No, we don't.
Yeah, that's height. That's my average rebound height.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then so your average uncertainty is
Your highest minus your lowest.
How
divided by 2.
even recording? Miss Stool, yes. How am I even recording?
so I'm
Because the
taking
phone?
my average uncertainty from okay. Oh yeah, minus mass.
Is a mess?
Mass.
Mass?
That's what I'm
Oh,
doing. So would that be different?
I don't know. This, the thing you just pointed out to my attention or to my heart. I just not thought about this.
Mm-hmm.
This is- the ruler that height has uncertainty.
Systematic error.
But then the average uncertainty
Of that.
of my height. So do I don't know.
Wait, I just what are we finding the average uncertainty of?
You just pointed out to my. Oh, that's a question I need from this coin. Because I have average uncertainty.
You look
Then I
like
also
twins?
have
No, we
the-
don't. Please
Then I
stop.
have the uncertainty of the height itself because the ruler or the meter stick is 0.05. And that's not
No,
changing.
we don't, gang.
But my average uncertainty is changing.
No,
Wait.
don't say that.
No.
It caused the procedure.
Okay, we don't turn so.
I need to get this decimals in right now. So that where is it?
One.
things.
Yeah, you can't have it. It's, yeah, it's so annoying.
What in
Yeah.
the world?
Why we live streaming? It's cool because it's morning, you know.
Wait, how should you do it?
Just click the bottom arrow and
Yeah.
delete button.
Oh,
Oh wait, my bad. I can't.
You just needed 2, right?
What do you mean?
Like you didn't need these.
Yes, this is for uncertainty.
Never mind.
Oh, guys, saw
Yeah.
a movie today. I should. Can you text Spooky? Do you have his number or just Instagram? Whatever. I don't want to text him on Instagram because I never messaged him before. But ask him to respond to Hazel's thing in the.
His phone is broken. Is it
Just go ahead and do it. I don't know. Noah said that like it was kind of weird, but like just go ahead and do it.
I can
That or like maybe message him and Ari. I don't even follow Ari.
Oh yeah. I got it. I'll text Ari. She's not on the list in this thingy. On this English set. Should I tell her? I just realized this yesterday,
Did you
but I
tell-
forgot about it. I just remembered. I
Because
just found out because like
How many did Miss English actually submit? Because I know we were talking about it in the meeting on Monday. I was telling Miss
list is
English like, yeah, I know she's not on that list, but I was telling Miss English like, I think Ari might like. Yeah.
what is Miss English saying?
I don't remember, but she was like, can you check like the attendance or something? And I asked Jasmine, and she was like, just based on my memory, like I think she's been to like enough, but she didn't like actually pull up anything, so I didn't say anything to Miss English. But I don't know.
I can find it.
But that was awkward though. She's not gonna get bored. You know, I'll try to. And if he doesn't respond, I'll message tomorrow.
future.
What's his name on Instagram again? It has his name. Isn't
Yes, finally, I'm done.
Yeah, Ari's been to 6.
6 out of how many?
Yo, goofy. I know, right? That's the only thing I could have right now. The thumbnail is thumbnail. Pay attention in class, bro. We're not even doing nothing in class. We talking about paying attention. This the last week of school. Almost to the last week of school.
No, she's been to 5.
Pay attention in class. What? How
No,
about you get off your phone? Ooh.
she's only been to like a couple.
Out of
She's only been. I only see her name.
Where are you from?
One.
I'm from New York City.
what are all the other things then?
Yeah, I'm from New York City.
From other. It's like Variety
Oh.
and someone misspelled Demarion's name.
Yeah, I'm from New York. You
3.
know,
I see 3.
like you like from New York. She said, "Are you right there?"
But
No,
like, she was like,
I'm at
she asked me
Indianapolis
yesterday,
right
did you
now.
get Core 12? And I was like, yeah.
Oh,
And she was like,
Arias.
The monkey finally
And I was
learns
like,
how to use a
and then she's like,
computer.
oh, yeah.
Well, joke's on you because I'm not using the computer.
I had
I'm
forgotten
using
that
the
she
phone.
was in Chico.
Yeah.
Ah,
I didn't
I'm using the
realize.
phone.
See, this is what makes it hard because I want people to like not feel a ton of pressure. To like, oh, I have to be at every meeting, like how it kind of is at NHS. But at the same time, like it's kind of harder to know who's like for real in it.
Nina, I love you. This goes into my next one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at the background. That's crazy.
I have to manually type. Oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. I have to manually type. Okay, perfect. 0.36. And should I do this too?
No. You can copy both columns at the same time. And this is in the instructions in here. It says if you do 2 at a time, then it will work.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It doesn't do anything, but that's okay. You can
It was
just
over there.
yeah.
Down there.
And this is the thing. I had to manually type in my uncertainty because it would do that. But
How'd you do the 2? The subscript?
I just typed 2 and it does a subscript.
So what are these averages for? What is this one?
These aren't averages. This is your uncertainty.
Uncertainty for
If sweet scroll, read these and it will tell you. Yeah. This is the end of
one.
it.
Are they X uncertainties? Okay. Uncertainties. Okay. And this was with the ruler. Your uncertainty stayed the same, right, for X?
Yeah. I didn't have any X uncertainty. Because that's just my 1 slide, 2 slides, 3 slides.
I don't have any either. I'm just using the same one.
You will have an uncertainty, but it will be the
Yeah,
same.
exactly. Yes.
A fair systematic error between trials.
Say my name. What's up?
Jonathan. So then, should I
Oh,
have
hey, yo,
my
what's up,
like
what's
my
up?
uncertainty for like X? Should I say 0.05 centimeters or 0.5 millimeters? Do I say millimeters or centimeters?
It's 0.05
the
meters.
range
What's
Oh,
up? Well, yeah, what's up,
right.
baby? What?
and their
Meters.
size, and therefore, yeah, sure, size of my
0.05 meters.
Oh, you.
Oh, sorry. It's 0.0.
I'm answering you right now. See you later.